Today is May 11th, out here on the little farm we got. Not much of a farm, but it's what I got. And took an old dog kennel, and my brother-in-law was gracious enough to give me a cover that you'd put for a car, and one of them has a tarp over it. And I cut it down to fit this fence here, and put chicken wire all over it, keep the predators out, put a tarp over it. Think it'll work, we'll see. And got their little chicken coop in there, and there they are, looking good. 6 in there for them to hop up on. There's the tarp. That's a couple more sticks for them to jump up on. Yep, think it'll work. But anyway, just trying to raise some chickens. Maybe do get some eggs from them and one of these days, and it'll be good. Well, we'll check on them later. Well, today is May 14th, and they're 80 days old today. I think I might have a rooster. I'm not sure. And I think it's going to be Mars. Just by looking at his tail feathers, or her tail feathers, they're starting to curve down on the back. And I think that's one of the signs that that's going to be a rooster. Everything still looks pretty good in there. They're digging out their little holes to take dirt baths in. There's one over here. Yeah, that one's doing pretty good. That crater they got right there. Yep. Oh well. They like running around in here. Them two right there, you see how they're, I'm just not sure. I think them two might be roosters. Aurora also. I was so hoping I didn't have roosters. Oh well. Leave a comment if you want, and let me know what you think, if them two are roosters or not. And that's Mars, the red one, and the lighter red one, or light brown and gold color, whatever you want to call it, and that's Aurora. My luck, I've got 4 roosters, even though the odds were you're supposed to get hens. But you see that action right there? I hope not. We'll wait and see. Chat with you later. Today is May the 17th, and they're 83 days old today. They're looking good, getting big. I'll go through their names. Well, everybody knows their name. I ain't got to do that. But anyhow, they're looking good. Won't be long. Got a tarp on the top. Give them some shade. Looks good so far. Everything seems to be working fine. Go in here and check their nesting box out, just to make sure that nobody has started early, which I don't think they have, but you never know. Probably need to put some more wood shavings in here anyway. We'll take gander at it. See what we can see. Yeah, she needs a little bit of cleaning. Not much. I don't see no eggs, so that's good. It ain't time for them yet anyway. So, all right. Aurora. Yeah. What you doing? Huh? You gonna let me pet you today? She's been letting me pet her, so we'll see. Come on. Oh, there goes my glasses. Ah, Swanee. I hate glasses. No, you can't eat those. Come here. Hey, what you doing? Yeah. So, there you go. She's about the only one that'll let me do that. Look at that tail right there. How it's curving down in the back. I just don't know. Yeah. They still touch me knots. Say, don't touch me. Don't touch me. But they don't run from me too bad, so that's good. I can catch them. I just have to sneak up on them, and they're not too bad. So anyway, we'll check back with them later. Old Tart doing all right. Yep. Okay. We'll check back with them later.